Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to add bullet points side by side in Word file. So let's get into the video. Once you have opened up your Word document, suppose I have taken a blank document like this and I want to add bullet points side by side in here. For that, you have to go to your Insert tab, then head over to Table, and if you click on it, take two tables like this and then just make it large. Suppose I want it like this. We'll go to Home and I'm just making my font large just to ensure you can see it properly. So I'm just writing A, then B, and in here and yeah, you can see I have created a box, two box actually, and in there I have written side by side my points. And suppose I want to add bullet points in here, and now all I have to do is go to a side and take my cursor point there and take the bullet point. Wait. So then again do the same for it. And in both sides bullet point has been added, and now you can see this point in your file, and here you have to go here. If you click on it, then click right, then go to Table Properties. Here go to Borders and Shading, and in border color change it to white and click on OK. Then click on OK, and you can see the border is gone and your bullet points are now side by side. If you want to just see if your table is out there or not, you just have to click on it and there will be your table shown right there, and you can just move it closer or slide by on it. Yeah, that's it. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video.